In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete saved passwords in Mozilla Firefox. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, open Firefox and go to the top right corner, where you can see the three horizontal lines, or also known as the menu button, and I want you to go to the settings. Now here, in the left side area of the navigation, I want you to click the privacy and security. Scroll down where you can see the passwords right here, and as you can see, you have the ability to delete any saved passwords by clicking this button, which will forward you to a new page. Now, as you can see, the passwords that you have saved are found here in the left side. Okay, so you can scroll down for the password that you want to remove one by one if you want. Okay, but if you want to delete all of the saved passwords in Mozilla Firefox, I want you to click the three horizontal lines and click the remove all passwords. Now, I'm going to give you a simple tip that if you want to export all of them first, in case you might need them later, you can do that by clicking the export passwords. If you do, as you can see, you can continue with export. Click the button and save it to your local folder. All right. And basically, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.